In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an API key from Groq. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser such as Google and look up console.groq. Then please go to the official console.groq.com website and it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, if it's your first time ever using this software, then the first order of business is you will need to go ahead and sign in to Groq's. You can go ahead and create an account if you already have a pre-existing Gmail, and thankfully, they do make it a relatively simple process. But basically, you're able to press on this button that says create API key right over here, and then it is going to verify that it is actually you. And then check this out. All you need to do is you need to go ahead and just wait a little bit, and it's going to provide you with your API key. You're going to go ahead and press on copy. But one thing to keep in mind is that it is not going to show you the API key again. So make sure you save the API key in a safe place. Make sure you don't lose it or forget it, because it is not going to show it to you again. And then you guys can go over here to this top menu, press on API keys. And over here, you're able to see all of the different API keys that you did create, your API calls and stuff like that. So this will basically keep track of everything. It's also going to let you know your usage. And of course, you can determine whether it expires or not. And then you should be good to go. So if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.